Hello everyone, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'm going to show you what to do if the NFC, which is the sensor on your iPhone, isn't working. Here's the scanner, the NFC scanner. Go to settings. Don't pay attention to this part. Alright, scroll down and tap apps and default apps. Here you'll see apps that handle NFC. In newer iOS versions, they won't be here, but they'll be something like wireless, which your wallet will be linked to. Next, type AirDrop here. Oh, not in the app section. Go to General, then AirDrop, and enable this feature. This will activate NFC. Also make sure you have the latest iOS version. You'll find a button here to update the operating system. Tap it, and as you can see I have updates. Then tap Install now. If that still doesn't help, the only thing left is to reset. Go to General, scroll to the very bottom for Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and it will perform a full reset, deleting everything. However, it might help. This was Weller. Goodbye everyone.